Hello everyone. I've gotten enough of my plants for the garden, moved out to the garden, that my racks are freeing up and I can get going and get the hydroponic lettuce going again. Now this is my container that I use every year. As you can see, it's I don't know, 5 inches tall. It holds right at 5 gallons of water, 5.5 gallons. I've added my hydroponic fertilizer. I've added some liquid seaweed, which gives me the trace minerals and lots of good stuff like that. And I've got the pH adjusted to, I don't know if you can see it, it's 6.8. So I'll go with 6.8. This is the same setup I've been using for a couple of years, very, very successfully. Here's my top. 6 holes. My same little brown cow yogurt cups. As you can see, will fit 6 of them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll prop the plants in here with little pieces of sponge. Make sure they're not mold inhibitor or any fungal or whatever, just plain sponges, or you could use polyester batting like you make pillows with. That works really well. So now that I've got the water in, the pH set, let's see if I can get my, well, this airline won't quite fit, so I'll have to get a longer one. Alright, I've weaved some new tubing back from where the airline is. I weave it up through the rack, and then I put it down there and clip it in. There you can see that I'm going to be getting good water movement. So I'm going to start putting the plants in, and we'll be having fresh lettuce to eat in about 3 weeks. Alright, there I've got my 6 planted and in the little cups, and let's get down here and show you what the there's the roots sticking down. You can see a couple more back there. There's the roots sticking down there on that one. These guys will be growing like crazy and ready to eat. Now this is all arugula. I've got room for 3 more pans, and I'll be putting a romaine and a butter crunch type lettuce in the other ones as the spaces come available. But arugula is one of the hardest ones for us to buy, so I'm going to start out with arugula. So this is David at Grow and Eat This. If you like the videos, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up so YouTube knows that, hey, this was a good video. And clicking that little bell thing will let you know when I put the next ones up. So just because it's really hot outside and it's too hot for lettuce doesn't mean I can't be growing some inside. And this is some amazing lettuce in about 3 weeks. So in this case arugula. So I'll let you know how it's doing as it goes along. Thank you for watching.